Hey Discord, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool mismatch right here, and basically what these are some running shoes or athletic shoes, and this is from the brand called STQ. So if you guys saw my previous video in the past, I actually reviewed another shoe that's from this brand that's like a slip-on shoe. But this is basically what the shoe looks like right here, if you guys can see. But this time we have the running shoe that's a little bit different. But when you guys look at the design of the shoe, it looks very similar to like the Air Max design. So let me actually open this up first to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the shoe looks like. So then both of these shoes are basically the same design and everything. I'll just show you guys one of them first before I actually put it on. So here's what the product looks like on this side. Here's what it looks like in the back. Here's what it looks like on this side. And here's what it looks like in the front. And then for the top part here, this is basically what the inside looks like. So this one definitely has the shoelace option. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like. If you can see the way how they designed the shoe for this one here, it looks exactly like the Air Max shoe from the Nike brand, because they have the same exact thing like these right here. And then for the back part here, they give you guys the option to actually pull up the shoe if you guys need to. So that way it actually makes that easier for you guys to put on your shoe. And also if you guys want to use that option to actually hang onto the wall, you definitely can as well. And if you see the way how they designed this part here, it definitely has that air cushion technology that's very similar to like the Air Max design. But when you guys feel the air cushion on here, it's not as strong or as powerful as the Air Max design. When you guys feel the fabric on the shoe right here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It definitely feels like a high quality fabric that they use on here. But when you actually compare this to the actual Air Max shoes, everything about this shoe looks exactly like it. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it's not even close. And that doesn't mean the shoe is not comfortable. Like when I actually feel this part here and also this part as well. So that way if you guys are planning to use this all day for walking or doing physical activity, it'll still give you guys the comfort that you guys need. So in terms of the material that they use inside right here, I don't think it's actually memory foam material because it feels different than the one that I reviewed last time with a slip-on shoe. And also when you guys feel the product right here, it definitely feels super lightweight, but that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go put this on and show you guys what it actually looks like and describe how it feels, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so here we have the shoes once we put it on. If you can see, this is basically what it actually looks like. Let's take a walk around and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so after we put it on and when you feel the shoe, it definitely feels pretty nice. So I'm not sure if the inner layer is memory foam or not, but it definitely feels really nice. It kind of feels like the memory foam material, but I'm not 100% sure if it is or not. But if you guys are using this casually every day for walking or for working, it should definitely feel pretty nice. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys put it on. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work. The overall comfort and feeling of the shoe definitely feels pretty nice. I still have to say that the Air Max shoe is actually much more comfortable and also give you guys a lot more support as well, which is totally understandable since the Air Max shoe costs 3 times the amount as this shoe right here. So I guess in a way, if you guys have a budget and you guys can't spend too much money, then this shoe is definitely pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have a certain budget, but you guys want to get like a really nice shoe to use for running or just casually walking, or if you guys are on your feet all day, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.